Saturday's precise and important news. 200 tons of pure oil are extracted daily from Kushkari mine in Sarpul province. Zabiullah Mujahid, the spokesman of the Islamic Emirates, says that 200 tons of pure oil are extracted daily from the Kushkari oil mine in Sarpul province, which earns $130,000. Newly built slaughterhouse opened in Mazar-e Sharif. A new slaughterhouse has been inaugurated in Mazar-e Sharif, the capital of northern Balkh province, at the cost of $6 million. Nasratullah Yusufzai, in charge of the slaughterhouse, said that Asian Development Bank provided $6 million for this project. Yusufzai adds the facility was built on 12.5 acres of land where 3,500 small and 600 large animals could be slaughtered in 24 hours. In addition, over 300 people had been provided direct work opportunities in the facility. Planted mine discovered and neutralized. Ministry of National Defense says that 217 Umari corps discovered and defused a mine placed in the courtyard of the municipality of Rustaq district of Takhar province. Over 600 kids with cardiovascular defect treated by ARCS. Afghan Red Crescent Society says over the past 5 months, more than 600 kids with cardiovascular defect have received treatment in 6 hospitals of Kabul. Food items distributed to 500 needy families in Nangarhar. Afghan Red Crescent Society distributed food aid to 500 needy families in Lalpura district of Nangarhar. Dozens of travelers in their transports trapped in the snowstorm rescued. 60 vehicles full of passengers stranded in snow in Bamiyan province have been rescued by the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan authorities. Railway transportation has increased. Officials of the Afghanistan Railway Authority say that 54,301 metric tons of goods have been transported through Heratan, Akina and Torgandi ports in the last 1 week.